Right, guys, as you guys remember in previous videos from another guys, they do an amazing job, but they have the problem right over here. Basically, especially this one, the third one, this bolt get stuck with the nut and everything come out. In order to prevent that, we're gonna use this T12 tool right here, this one, you know, with this 18 millimeters, and we're gonna put it this way. I try to use this other side, but unfortunately I can't. And just hold it like this, and you just gonna do it hard, and that's it. It's coming out and it's loose. That's the easy way to remove this. As soon as this you break it, you don't have to worry about. And then the same thing with the other guys right over here. You know, just hold it like that, and basically, okay, it's going, and that's it. You see, nice and easy. You're holding it, and it's not gonna come off from the cylinder. That way, you know, at the end, I'm gonna tell you guys what is the torque for this. Like I told you guys, I'm not gonna put the whole entire video because the videos I got in the link down below showed everything step by step, and these guys did an amazing job. All right. Okay, let's keep doing it. Next step is this one right here. I see you guys having problems with this pulley right here, and I'm gonna do it the old style, guys. As you guys can notice, we got 3 holes right here, 1, 2, and 3, right? Well, we're gonna use this. This is an extension, a 1/4 extension. We're gonna put this in one of the holes right there, and hold on, let me just look for the sweet spot. Right there, perfect. And you know, it's gonna be holding between the metals. This is gonna hold this thing in place, and we're gonna use this 10 millimeters to crank this thing loose. Hold on, see, okay. Now I'm gonna do it. There we go. That's it. Let me see. It'll be more. There we go. Look at this, guys. Nice and easy. Old style, like the old mechanics used to do. Old school. That's it. We got the guy right here. And like I told you guys, I'm not gonna do the whole entire video, but this is some extra steps combining with the other videos you guys will see. These guys give an amazing steps, but look at this. That's it. And the only thing you guys gotta do is just move this a little bit backwards, because now it's stuck because the pressure we got from the hold on, let me just move it this way. From the when we try to remove this, that's it. Just a little bit, and we're gonna remove this guy right here. And then the other thing we're gonna do, just turn it right here. Hold on. And we're gonna do the same procedure, guys. This is old school. Now we're gonna look the sweet spot right here. And we're gonna introduce it again over here. No, it's not there. Hold on. Let me just fix it a little bit more. Hold on. And as you guys can see, I didn't have to use anything, just this little guy right here. Hold on, let me see. Let me use my both hands. Sorry guys if I block you. There we go. Right there, right there. It's right there in the sweet spot. And again, this branch is, I think is broken. There we go. As you guys can see, look at this. You don't see this in a school, guys. This is old school mechanic. When you learn with the mechanics on the street, that's the way how you learn this. You don't learn this in a school, guys. Well, guys, keep watching the video. I'm gonna show you the final product. If I found something else I didn't see in the other videos, you know, I'm gonna show you guys. But as you guys see, I got everything right here. I'm gonna leave the belt holding this. That way it's gonna keep the thing in place, and then just with a rubber hammer, I'm gonna hit this a little bit. I'm gonna pull that out, and then the other procedure is gonna be like the other videos, guys. All right, let's go and see how this thing looks like at the end. Alright guys, as you guys can see, I already done with the installation, and now you guys see right here I got my torque, and the torque for the pump is 8 pounds. Now for the pulley is 15 pounds. Remember that, 8 pounds for the pump, 3 screws and 3 bolts, and for the pulley is 15 pounds. Okay, let me show you right here. Okay, right there, went through, and I just passed a little bit, right? But it's in the range at least. Okay guys, well, I'm gonna finish installing this, gonna check it out, and I'm gonna show you guys how it's working. All right guys, now I'm going to put the pulley. Now, as you guys remember, I told you it's 15 pounds for the torque. Now that's for, well, unfortunately my torque, I got a nice small torque, but still this space is too narrow in order to go there, and I torque it with my torque. But when I remove it, basically it was super easy. And I'm gonna try to duplicate the same thing, but going back maybe just a little bit more tight. But just to let you know, if you guys got the fortune to have those special torques that looks like this guy right here, cost a fortune. But if you are a mechanic and you have it, well, forget about it. I'm not even gonna tell you how to do it. But well, for those that got the fortune to have those special torques, well, it's 15 pounds. I'm using my hand, and I'm gonna try to tighten it. Like I told you guys, it was so easy. I'm not even, well, look at this. This is the wrench I use. I'm using the same method, guys. I'm putting this guy right here in between the hole right here, and I'm gonna stop it right there, and then I just gonna use the wrench to tie this thing, and it's not going nowhere. All right guys, let me see if I can show you just a little bit. Hold on, let me see which is the way this thing is going. Okay, it's going, yeah, it's going this way. Let me see if it stays. All right, and just take a look, and yeah, just a hand tight. That's how I remove it. It wasn't that hard. Like I told you guys, I did it with this little guy right here to remove it out. That's gonna be the same way to put it in. Okay, and well, let's
right guys, basically I'm done over here, and I'm gonna show you guys this guy working.
as you guys can see, the engine is working really nice. Look at that, really smooth, and it's very nice. Let me just change the light, that way you guys can see it better. But you guys can see the basically that's the new pump, the one right there, and I'm gonna focus it right there. And as you guys can see, brand new, no leaks, no nothing. And as you guys can notice, I cleaned all the residue of the antifreeze. You guys cannot leave any residue because that is gonna basically damage the paint of your vehicle. I cleaned up everything real good with water. And also, guys, I'm gonna show you something. As you guys, I don't know if you guys noticed the color of the belt. It's a little bit different and it's more like a highlighted. Well, let me show you something, guys. This is a secret that not too many people know about it, but it's something I learned and I want to share it with you guys. Let me show you this. Okay, guys, I just turned it off, the engine, and as you guys can notice, you know, all this, it was covered with antifreeze. And look at the color of the belt. The belt, it looks really nice. And I'm using something that is amazingly good protecting rubber, and I use that in the boots of the joints on the any boot I got in the on the truck or the cars, or any kind of rubber I got, the hoses and the belts. I use this stuff, and is this guy right here. And this is the AT200 reseal, and this is made it for engines, transmission, and differentials. And this is something amazing I learned from my mechanic, and I'll be using this for, you know, for years, and I didn't have any problems. This product right here, you guys can get it in Amazon. Just, you know, if you wanna pause it and take a picture of this guy and get it, put this in a little sprayer and spray all these areas right here. Spray the belt, spray the boots, in the ends of your vehicle, the ball joints, boots, any kind of rubber you guys want to protect, the hoses for your radiator. That's amazing. Is something that is gonna give you more life, and is gonna be more protection for the belt. After I clean the belt, I basically wash it. I use this product on top of it, and you know, the color and everything changed. Looks like from my angle, it looks like a new. I love it, and it's very good. And well, guys, that's it. There you have it. I hope you guys like it. You know, like I told you guys, I didn't finish and I didn't show the installation because I got a link down below from another guy that he did an amazing job, and I think you know, you guys can follow his video. I just showing you some things that in the video didn't show up, and I see the guys got him like difficulty removing the pulley and removing the screws from the pulley, and also the other stuff I show you right there is a more easy way, old school mechanics, how you can use some tools to remove easy some bolts and screws. And that's my little advice for you guys if you guys want to make it real easy. All right, guys, well, God bless you all. See you guys in another Just My Review, and stay tuned because we're gonna have more videos in the days to come. Bye bye.